There are many products available to choose toys and top gifts for a 4-year-old boy, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best toys and top gifts for a 4-year-old boy from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Air Hogs Flippin' Frenzy. The clever secret to this RC is its big, soft wheels. They're mighty enough to roll over uneven terrain inside or outside, but they're squishy enough not to damage floors, furniture, or walls. If the car hits an object and turns upside down, it just keeps going. In toy testing, parents enjoyed playing with this as much as the kids did. Ages 4+. Number 2. GeoSafari Jr. Talking Microscope. Kids who are curious about science, nature, and the world around can learn real biology facts about plants and animals with this talking microscope. It comes with more than 60 images on its slide, which are easily stored inside the microscope. There are also different modes of play, including fact mode for learning and quiz mode to see if they've absorbed the knowledge. If they're really into STEM, you can also get them the new GeoSafari Jr. Talking Telescope. Ages 4+. Number 3. Lego City Construction Trucks and Wrecking Ball Crane. By Super Simple Duplos. A 4-year-old is ready for a Lego City set. Though it's also possible that a 4-year-old will need some grown-up guidance to build these cool construction vehicles. Upon seeing the toy, my son couldn't wait to open it up, a dad told us. He was quite proud after building the wrecking ball, though he needed a little assistance. The set makes a dump truck, wrecking ball crane, and a transporter that can carry either of them to the job site, plus 4 minifigures and accessories. Ages 4+. Number 4. Thomas and Friends A Bridge to Sodor. Here's a real wow gift for not a lot of money. It comes with 13 feet of plastic track, a motorized Thomas the Tank Engine, plus 2 train cars, Carly the Crane, a bridge, and more. It's earned raves from Walmart reviewers, many of whom buy it for a 4-year-old. Requires 2 AAA batteries. Ages 3+. Number 5. Magna-Tiles Space Set. Tester kids flipped out for this outer space set from the popular brand Magna-Tiles. My kid loved the spaceman and the shuttle. He also said he loved that he could build his own space station, a mom told us. The 32 magnetic pieces all fit back into the shuttle for storage, a feature our tester parents loved. Ages 3+. Number 6. LaScoota 2-in-1 Kids Kick Scooter. Good housekeeping experts were impressed at the long life of this scooter, which can start out as a ride-on for younger ones or younger siblings, and then adjust in height until the kids are big. But our tester children focused on something else: the light-up wheels. It comes in a bevy of colors, holds up to 100 lbs. Ages 3+. Number 7. Learning Resources Gears. Gears. A physics lesson has never been so much fun as it is with this 100-piece set of plastic gears that fit together. Your child can build however he wants and then turn a crank piece to see which direction the different pieces spin. It's perfect for his newfound dexterity, curiosity, and fine motor skills. Ages 3+. Number 8. Monster Jam Grave Digger Trax. Testers really put this one through its paces, sending it over obstacles indoors and out on all kinds of terrain. When the results came in, it had perfect scores across the board. People were jealous of its ability to go over rocks and through water, one tester said. Ages 4+. Number 9. Play-Doh Pizza Delivery Scooter. It's an indoor ride-on, it's a Play-Doh set, it's a lot of fun packed into a wow-worthy playset. Kids are encouraged to create pizzas out of Play-Doh and then deliver them. A pretend cell phone is included so he can tell you, "I'm here." There are plastic molds for making ice cream or a sweet drink too, if his customers are in the mood for something sweet. Ages 3 to 5. Number 10. Design and Drill Bolt Buddies Rocket. This one fosters both imaginative play and motor skills. Kids use a toy battery-operated drill to build and disassemble these playsets, getting a feel for how to take things apart and put them back together again. There are lots of different playsets, including a recycling truck, a plane, a recycling truck, a race car, a fire truck, a police motorcycle, a helicopter, and a tractor for a barn set. Each one comes with 2 buddies who also act as screwdrivers. Ages 3+. Number 11. Melissa and Doug sticker. Wow. Little kids have trouble peeling off and applying regular stickers, but with this new stamper, a 4-year-old can just stamp stickers right into the included activity book. Our testers found it easy and fun for their kids, and particularly great for travel or keeping a preschooler busy on an outing. When the stamper runs out, you can buy refills. I like that this is mess-free. I don't have to worry about markers or paint, a parent told us. I also like that there is a holder for the stamper on the pad. Number 12. Sing-along Numberblock 5. If it's all high fives for Numberblock 5, then this is the plush for your Numberblocks fan. It has 12 songs and phrases that reinforce the concept of the number 5, and kids can activate it with a touch of the hand. And yet, the body is still soft like a plush. Parent testers reported that this became a popular daily toy, and it gets a 4-year-old looking toward their next big birthday. Ages 3+. Number 13. Melissa and Doug Fire Chief costume. Playing pretend is a big part of 4-year-old life. We've seen kids leap into imaginary adventures in this pretend firefighter outfit that comes with a helmet, fire extinguisher, and a bullhorn with sound effects. The brand also makes a veterinarian costume with a little dog and an astronaut costume with gloves. Ages 3 to 6. Number 14. Hot Wheels City Ultra Shark Car Wash. It's all the fun of going to the car wash in a 2.5-foot-long Hot Wheels playset that's ready to spark imaginative play. The coolest feature is that after you add warm water, running the included vehicle through the shark changes its color and design. The color changes back when kids tilt the shark back, tap its tail, and dump the car into a cold plunge. There's a car wash too, and none of it needs batteries, just a little water. Ages 3+. Number 15. Kids Toy Golf Set. 4. He'll have to work on his control and focus to hit the golf ball on this set, and then he'll get all his energy out chasing the balls to put them back in the feeder again. It comes with 15 golf balls, along with 3 club heads, a left driver, a right driver, and a putter. Ages 3+. Number 16. Lego Team Spidey at Green Goblin's Lighthouse kit. It's your friendly neighborhood Lego set, and all the Spidey fans will flip for it. At 149 pieces, it's just the right amount of challenge for 4-year-olds. When they're done, they'll have made an island lighthouse full of the Green Goblin's traps. Watch out for the cave jail. For Miles Morales, Ghost Spider, Sandman, and Green Goblin to use for adventures. Ages 4+. Number 17. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Mutant Mayhem Pizza Fire Delivery Van. Your 4-year-old is too young for toy guys like Nerf, but can shoot mini pizzas from this Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles delivery van. My son loved firing pizzas immensely, but he also had fun putting the turtles into the driver's seat and the trunk, a parent told us. Another said, "We liked setting up items as target practice and knocking them down with pizzas." Ages 4+. Number 18. Tonies Black Panther audio play character. This generation loves listening to stories with the Tony box, a screen-free entertainment solution. To get new stories, you add a character to sit atop your box, like this new Black Panther. Our 4-year-old loves Tonies, and this Black Panther was no exception. He was very engaged and amused by it, a parent told us. Wonderful addition to his growing collection and totally age-appropriate. Ages 3+. Number 19. Zuru Smashers Dino Island T-Rex Battles. This is a surprise reveal toy for dino lovers. A big dino skull stuffed with more than 50 smaller toys, stickers, slime, and more. This was a huge hit. My son loved the treasure map and the many things to open, play with, and put together, a parent told us. He loved discovering the battling dinos and everything else, including the skull that cracks open and can be put together to smash again. Ages 3+. Number 20. Switcheroo Coding Crew. This combination of coding and rescue vehicles was a certifiable hit with kid testers, who found it explained coding in manageable bytes without needing any computer science knowledge. Kids draw a challenge card, snap on one of the vehicle shells: police car, fire truck, or construction vehicle, and program the cars to go in and save the day. They can even figure out secret codes, like how to make lights or sounds. Ages 4+. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information, or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make you life much more easier.